2012 उपरांत गोंयांत मायनिंग बंद जाल्ली, हाचो राज्याच्या अर्थवेवस्थेचेर गंभीर परिणाम जाल्लो आनी ताका लागून जायत्या क्षेत्रांनी रोजगार बंद जाल्ले. गोंयच्या खण क्षेत्राक पारदर्शक कायद्या प्रमाण आनी पर्यावरण टिकाऊ पद्दतीन परतून जिवीत करपाचे सरकारान सातत्यान यत्न केल्यात. जबाबदार खणकाम सुनिश्चित करपा खातीर केंद्र सरकार, तज्ञ आनी संबंधित स्टेक होल्डरां कडेन सतत चर्चा जाल्या अशें मुख्यमंत्री दोतोर प्रमोद सावंतान सांगलें. आतां खण पुनरुज्जीवनाच्या प्रक्रियेत गोंयांत बरीच प्रगती जाल्या अशें मुख्यमंत्र्यान सांगलें. आयकात.
The mining supported the lakhs of the livelihood directly and indirectly across the state. However, we also witnessed one of the most challenging phases in Goa's economical history following the suspension of the mining activity. The stoppage of the mining after the 2012, the subsequently after 2010, had a major economic impact on Goa. Economic activity slowed down considerably in the mining dependent regions. The thousands of the workers lost employment. The opportunities, transportations and the bus sector suffered heavily and many small businesses faced the serious financial difficulties. The impact was felt across the multiple sectors in the state economy. Since assuming the office of the government has consistently worked towards the reviving of the Goa's mining sector in the transparent, legal compliant and the environment sustainable manner. We maintain the continuous dialogues with the Government of India, the legal experts, the mining dependents, industry stakeholders and the local communities to ensure that the mining activity could be resumed responsibly while protecting the environment and social interest. I am pleased to share that the Goa has made a significant progress in the mining revival process. The first phase of the mining block auctions was successfully completed and the several mining blocks have already resumed operations in nearly the 18 mining blocks where estimated production capacity of approximately the 19 million tons per annum have been auctioned. This revival has begun restoring the economic confidence and industrial activity in the state.